Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. And in case you're new here, feel free to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. On today's video, it's a special video, guys. I'm coming live and clear from our beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa. And this is what in the morning. The sun rises from this end of the east, and it sets on the west. But which is the best way? We are the most strategic places ever in the world, near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, which is the best place actually. Some few meters or some few minutes from here, we will be walking to Tanzania. Let's put that aside. I want to say thank you so much for my always returning subscribers, for those who come back to watch and comment. May Almighty God bless you. And this is the, let me say, the third day of moving in to our two-bedroom house in the village, and a lot has been happening. Fixing stuffs, changing what has been there for old, putting new, just renovating where necessary. You know, a lot has been changing. So fixing stuff, if there are some crazy stuffs in there, we take them out room. So today's video is another special video, guys. We will be fixing our baby bath station somewhere, and before that also we'll be doing some general cleaning our beautiful compound. As you see, the other day my brother was trimming this because I was here. So these are some of the offals of the trimming of these flowers. So we'll be trimming them, cleaning this whole area, and the compound will be looking as neat as it is. So pay much attention, watch this video till to the end kindly. It's a kind request, and I really love to show you more about our beautiful here, our beautiful homestead in Kenya, Africa. Not any other place, but in Kenya, Africa. Look at that view, guys. You know, so the other day seeing that this place was kind of bushy, but I'm trying to bring it back as possible as I can, you know, as much as I can, where necessary. I just try to change it. Come on, come on, come on. There's a beautiful Sude, a beautiful dog. Yeah, so this is what you tend to see. One thing I love about this home is that it has a very nice grass. Look, these are the grass that we planted some few months ago, and you can just tend to see how it has really tucked in each other, and it's really looking nice. And also because of this tree, we always call it chameleon tree. It used to have a lot of chameleons. It's called chameleon tree. They have this kind of flowers. Let me know in the comment section, how do you call it in English? You know, this one. And also we have another, it's called water tree or water plant. This one, it's called water tree. When you cut it, it brings out milk, and that milk is being used for hunting more so birds. You know, when you for those who understands village life, like hunting birds, like you find a tree that has a lot of branches, then you use this milk, you mix with certain other milk. We have these two types of this kind of a tree. So we have this water plant and we have another one. So when you cut that milk, it's like you are harvesting rubber. If you have ever seen how people harvest rubber, that's the same way how we harvest it from here. That kind of a milk, it's like rubber. So when you harvest it, you use you should use a guava tree. A guava tree, you peel the piece of guava tree, the outer skin that have branches, then you smear or you roll that rubber there, and then you go to a certain this. Also the maize that have actually mature, because birds love maize that are almost mature like this up. So we fix there, and then we put some termites. Man, life in the villages and also still sweet. So when you put some termites up, birds will be enticed to come and sit up, and when they will be enticed to sit up, and that's how you end up having your meat, having your ants meat, and you'll be regarded as the best hero of hunting birds. Yeah, so that's it. So we have already remained with this other area where it's the entrance, but still my brother, you know, he's always busy, up and down, fixing some stuffs up, fighting for himself. So Yesterday also he got some best time to just, now today I think when he'll be from his place, he also come and fix this other side, and the entrance will be very 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 nice. So this flower, it's the love. So when you be entering here, it shows you love. It's only that it's bushy and it can't show you, but when he trim it, it will be best the best. So let me take you inside, guys. First we'll be fixing the baby bath station, then the rest will be showing you. Also in our house is still in a mess, very 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 mess, but yeah, enjoy the view. All right, okay. But first, before we go in, or before we go in the house, let me just have my vitamin D from this side. Having our vitamin D is the best. You know, over here at home it's very cold, very 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 cold, due to a lot of plants, and also there's some hills over there, so it's very cold. So let me have some best vitamin D from this side. That's my neighbor's home. That's the main road over there. So we're just sitting here at this beautiful grass, then we'll be heading in as we show you how we are fixing our stuffs. All right, okay. Enjoy this weekend and have a very beautiful day. Enjoy and enjoy and enjoy. It's the second day moving in our 2-bedroom house in the village, so we're trying to fix stuffs up and down. All right, okay. Wow, look at this tree. It's also looking big and nice. So trying to fix our home, planting this kind of cypresses trees to bring best home, and also some flowers there. Hopefully some days will come and show you how we are weeding them. The other time you saw my brother was planting them, they were just little as little, but for now they are trying to grow big due to sufficient rain and what we call like fertilizer. One thing I love about these trees also have grown big, the cypresses trees. So we are trying to groom our home, even when we are just creating a very nice environment for our kids and also for you guys. Also when you come, you feel free from maybe, you know, noise in the city. Yeah, some trees where you can come and feel fresh air. They are very nice and great. So let's go inside and we check what we're having. So these are pets that we have. So let me fix this kind of a bath station. I'll be fixing it from indoor. The house is still in a mess, crazy mess. Look, we have a lot of stuff, a lot of stuff. So we're trying to change it so that we can have at least a better environment for Maria. So we are still, yesterday we were working because the bedrooms were the best, because we are sleeping there first, and then we will be fixing the living room and everything that will be here. My wife started the video yesterday but she didn't finish it, so today she will be always finishing it, and we see what will be happening on this other end. We just try to grab these materials of a bus station. This one, also some are there because she wants to take shower as a baby, a newborn baby. So it will be better for me to fix it first, then I'll show you the end product about how I fixed it, because I don't want to be repetitive about fixing the bus station. So sometimes it takes a headache to fix it, but for now hopefully it will be better. It won't disturb me like last time. So let me fix it and we see how it's don't mind about our house, guys. It's in a mess, but wow, we thank God everything will be good and everything will work out. All right, okay, see you right now. So the only thing that is remaining is me to fix the legs on the tires. Anyway, they can be legs, they can be tires, they can be everything. So it's need to fix them slowly by slowly, like that. I don't know how today I managed to fix it easy, but I don't know how today I just managed to fix it.
Yeah, today it was easy.
Today it was easy, right? Yeah, just like that. So baby's bath station
Is ready.
it's ready. Introduce yourself.
Minhawi, guys.
Hey, what you done the
My name is Minhawi. Oh, sorry. Guys, my name is Minhawi. I just woke up. I want to do some cleaning and arrange some few things here and there. Oh, my face is... I've taken a bath, but I've not applied anything. So it looks dry. Yeah. So, yeah. So that's what we're doing today. And today I have some guests coming in, some family friends. Okay. So, yeah. You've forgotten?
Oh, yeah. Today.
We have some family friends coming in who have been there for us. Some few friends, just a family, 2 families, I think. Yeah. One family and a friend. Yeah. So they'll be here. So we'll see.
Yeah, for sure.
Hopefully you'll be able to see them here on this video, or maybe on mine. You never know.
Or maybe in the next video.
Yeah. So that's what we're doing. This is my outfit of the day. I can't show you right now because anyway. Yeah, let's continue.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just take it somewhere.
Okay.
So guys, here's where we have fixed our baby's bath station, right here. So when we wash her, the water goes direct to the toilet. So for now, yeah, that's it. Baby's bath station is ready. Oh yeah, after arranging the bus station and everything, I have to run to the town. My wife have sent me there because today she has guests, family friends, I think. So they said they are coming, so we'll be heading in town. I want to go buy some stuffs to eat, like rice, maybe beef and other stuffs. And today I'm back to this one. So I just fixed it yesterday. So I want just to run some errands with it around here. So like because my motorbike is not around, so I'll be using this meanwhile until my motorbike comes. So yeah, I want to rush in town. Beast is CJ's beast. You know, sometimes you have to have plan B. Sometimes you have to have plan B. If this plan fails, use this other plan. If this other plan fails, use this plan. Maybe some days I'll upgrade until I have a car. I will be moving here up and down and up. So I want to rush somewhere and just go buy some stuffs just to cook. So when they come to pay a visit, they can just have it. And also I'll be able to introduce them to you as friends, as family friends. They're just people who have been seeing. So yeah, and that's my dad is from having a cold bath. Good morning, that's good. Yeah, so we wanna go and see how everything will be. Alright, see you in town. Okay. I think I'm obsessed and I'm in love with bicycles, because since I was young I used to do what we call like buying bicycles and just having them, you know, bicycles. I used to love mountain bikes, most of these ones, because they stretch your muscles while cycling slowly by slowly until everything goes on well. So let's cycle a little by little, cycle a little bit to town, and we'll show you what will happen. Okay guys, bye. I came from the shop. I bought this for the friends, and I also bought this little mafuta cooking oil, and I bought beef also, just starting over in our 2-bedroom house, and some little tomatoes, some carrots, pepper, coconut milk, onion, just to start for a start in our 1-bedroom house. Also want to say what's happening. Actually, they are still cleaning, and the cleaning is still going on. You can just see the cleaning is still going on. So at least the clothes that you are seeing here, they are off. Some are going to be washed, as you see. So at least not as at most, but at least it's kind of looking homely. So my sister is just doing the cleaning over here, slowly by slowly, just as you see down here. The small bicycle is here. Oh, I forgot the rice. You know, this is how I carry them. This is a machine, so I bought rice and just this is the carry over there, so it helps me to take this to the kitchen. And then so another time I'll just start and wash also this cover, and then see what's happening on this other end. Yeah, so it's cleaning that is going on now, just to make it as clean as possible, as you see, all the way slowly by slowly. So yeah, that's how everything is over here, starting over square zero. So we are in here. I want to take some goats outside. Hi, Mr. Goat. How are you, Mr. and Miss Goat? Yeah, these are the goats. So another subscription of perfume. Oh, Melo, hold this for me. Just hold it this way. Very well. So guys, let's take outside our goats. Oh man, this is so big. Oh, I don't know what's happening. These goats are dying. They have already remained only 3 goats right now. But the moment when I'll be at home alone for a long time, I'll just go to my other side and bring a lot of goats. Oh, come on. Don't run. Always run fast. It's fighting. Hey, come on, man.
A goat is fighting.
Goat is fighting. Don't go fast. Come on. Okay.
The goat is fighting with the
The
goat.
goat is fighting.
There's a goat.
Achilia serenita kugonga. Achilia. Okay, let's go. Let's go. This is how the typical village life. Actually, the he goat is really disturbing. This one. Look, it's want to fight with the it want to fight with the dog. The dog is teasing them. Okay, come, let's go. Shh. Come up, man. Why? You want to fight? Crazy goats. Look at this. Oh, they want to feed on this. And let me look after them as they're eating. You know they love this jackal. Black jack. So I want them to eat. And the dog is looking after them also. I know, it's looking after them. It can't buy them. Just only disturbing them. Slowly by slowly. Yeah. Let me just go take them there, and then village life. Very typical. Home sweet home. So the goat is enjoying. See, they're enjoying eating over there. Also another one over there. That's our beautiful home from the back, you know. Oh yeah, that's now the typical village life. Looking after our goats. No, I want you to run home. Don't disturb me here right now, okay? Hey, come on. What's wrong with you? Beat you. You'll be on chain if you just continue. If you continue that way, I'll just chain you, okay? I'm telling this dog, if it continues like biting people, I'll put it on chain. I'm surprised. Why is the goat making a lot of noise? When it has also, or it sees me that I've gone. So let me wash my hands, because I know they're very as dirty as they are. I wanna see. Rice, nice, so great. All the clothes that you have been seeing here have been transferred, washed, and now cool and clean. And yeah, this is how you have some seats over there. Everything is just going this way, and I'm now to be in the kitchen to prepare something to eat. Yeah, I've been boiling the beef. Now we are frying it. This is just beef over here. And then yeah, I just prepare rice to home. Yeah, because there's some friends that are coming, so just like that. You have to just regulate the fire. Everything just comes on well, hand in hand. So vision is what you see. The only thing lacking here is the TV, which is not necessary much for now, but for now you see whatever was around here. The house has been wiped. Over here we had some cobwebs, but for now they are not there. Also on this other end, I don't know what happened to this one. I think it got burnt. This one is working. Yeah, so at least it looks a little bit tidy. It looks a little bit tidy, a little bit, but for now that's how it used. But as time will be changed to be good. And also for other end, yeah, so this is the wardrobe. On this other end, clothes and shoes. Clothes are being being arranged very well. These are shoe polish for Melo. Some of my clothes. We have these are the duvets that we used to use them in an Airbnbs, and some of the bed sheets, and some of the towels. But for Melo, and yeah, he'll be staying in here for now till he goes back to school. And this is what you see again. I've missed my house, our house. It's good. So yeah, I will be preparing rice. We bought rice, actually this one we bought it here in Kenya, over just right here at the border of Kenya and Tanzania. This one they just processed there. It's usually grade 1. So let me just prepare some beef, and then I'll be showing you how to prepare. Actually, I've just taken over from my wife because she is going to breastfeed. So I'm just taking over, and then I prepare rice. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. So this is how you see the beef. This is the beef. It's a beef stew. Then I have to lead it. Just a minute to lead it. Don't mind about our saucepans. They are outdated, but we thank God for life. So yeah, let it just boil, and when it will boil it will be better, best, a little by little. So it's time for me to wash the rice, and I want to wash the rice. I just decided to fry it. We have to eat fried rice today, so I'll fry the rice and then prepare it well. So because we have this, maybe some days I'll just come and prepare it. Oh, it's working. So just come and connect the cooker here, put the fridge here, and then I say goodbye to Mombasa forever. So it will be time now to pay rent. We say goodbye to rent, and we'll be here. Okay guys, soon. Yeah guys, so I've already washed my rice. Now it's time to fry it, and I'm going to use this kind of sauce because this water is already ready. So it's time for me to unmask this. Oh my god. Wait. Yes, then I can now mask this just like that, and then it will be better for me now to start frying my rice. Be careful baby, I don't want you to near this because this water can cause a lot of harm. So just like that, it will be better. Okay, so don't mind with me guys, that salt I just have to look for a salt dish. So like this, it's rice that I just prepared. I'm trying to coach my wife slowly by slowly, I can see. Yeah. Yes.
So you're saying that he's coaching me. Apparently, I don't know how to make rice. Hey, we need to do a competition, a cooking competition.
Yeah.
Yes.
When?
Anytime. When you're ready. Yeah, Maria is up.
Yeah, I've just put my cooking oil, so I'm waiting for it to heat. Then We are here. Manu! Just like that. Oh my god. With rice, and more. We are preparing fried rice. Do you know fried rice? Fried rice. Let me show you something, okay? Fried rice. Called fried rice. Then we add more of fried rice. More fried rice. Yeah, so let's wait it for it to boil, and then it will be better. Just a couple of minutes, then we wait. Okay, fine. This is our rice under low heat, and it has already fully cooked. So that's how you see it. You check it. Yeah, our rice under low heat. You see. That's our rice under low heat, and that's how you see it now. Oh my god. Oh no. Just squeeze it just like that, and you see, looks like pishori. I was almost preparing a pilau, but it's just normal rice, fried rice. And then also I just decided to put another one here, but this one is already ready. This one, you see, if you have some occasions and you want somebody to prepare rice for you in abundance, book me. I'm here. I'm just here. Rice that if you scoop it like this, you see, very nice, very nice. So this one, very nice, rice under low heat. Engineer General Chef CJ, Engineer General Chef CJ have amazed all Africans on how to prepare good rice. So this low heat, very low, minimal, very low heat. This one is already, so I just decided to power it off. So yeah, for friends, and then we see what we can chop, you know, have something to chop, and then it will be better. Already I've just prepared for Bibi. I've given her her food. For now she's at least recovering, but not as much as it was. Let me take you to her so that you can see how she's faring on, you know. But for now everything is just normal. I'm trying to cope up with the situations around. So for now, Bibi, she's having her lunch, though the time has gone. But no, so there, yeah, around Bibi, no, just go away. So Bibi, hi Doma. Hey, unakula nini?
Nakula wali.
Wali. It's rice and beef. It is very nice. Unaendeleaje lakini sahi?
Bado huyu mguu unaniuma.
Bado inakuuma. But for now, guys, you see the swollen place that was swollen. It's not just because I applied some med, and also I brought the meds for her to just to relieve the pain. I bought her some of the meds, like relaxing muscle relaxer. One was Toraxa, and another one was levofloxacin. Yeah, levofloxacin, something like that, so that it can just reduce the pain. Because she told me that she's feeling some pain at the muscles, like at the joint, at the pelvic joint, and also at this side of the knee. So but for now, even the swollen has just disappeared because I also applied the deep freezer. It's called deep freezer. So a little massage for her. She's just eating and relaxing, and at least for now, not like the other time she was lean. So slowly by slowly. And also I added her some of the 2 clutches. So yeah, let me show you. I literally bought her some from Mombasa. Actually at first I bought this one, and this one I came back with it again for baby, so at least she can, when she's a little stronger, she can use one. When she feels as if like the legs are not really good to support, she can use both too. So yeah, but this one is not closed like this. You see, this one is closed, this one is open. So this one she can go with it anywhere. And also this one, also you can also remain with this. The one thing I love about this also is that you can just remove this. You can remove this upper and remain with this one. And also this one is just the way you see it. It's open. Yeah, baby, miguu yako iko hapa, miguu mingine miguu yako mingine ndio hii. Miguu yako ndio hiyo. So unatumia yote. Ukiona kama umechoka, ukiona unatumia moja. Kama uko sawa, kama uko vingine unatumia ingine, sawa? One thing I want is just to prepare her, like one day I'll just prepare something here like a sliding one, like a ramp. But you know, everything is just slowly by slowly. You have to fix this one comes up. If you are fixing this one comes up. So it's always situations after situations, but slowly by slowly I'm managing it slowly. Hey, millionaire, rich. Hey, good morning. Hey, is it good morning? You're just even saying good morning. It's evening, right? It's evening. What time is it?
It's 10:05.
Oh yeah, it's evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
You good? School is coming
Yes.
very soon.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
How have you prepared yourself?
I've already prepared myself. I've already brushed my shoes, packed my things. Now I'm relaxing outside here.
Okay, introduce yourself.
What's up, guys? Back to Claude YouTube channel. In case when you're there, subscribe there, like, share, leave us a comment. My name is Manu Claude. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and go to 2K subscribers. Follow us on my channels, guys. Do so, and I really appreciate your love and support.
Alright, guys. Have you prepared yourself with some videos that when you be going at school you'll be uploading, or when it's school, it's school?
It's school. If it's school, it's school. But on Saturday and Sunday,
You prepare some videos.
Yes.
Oh, okay, nice. Other Manu Cloud. It's called Manu Cloud. Do you have show them your once again? Yeah, guys, this is his channel. Yes, the Wi-Fi is very weak down here. The Wi-Fi is very weak. I don't know what kind of pole will I just come and elevate here. Elevate until I put the Wi-Fi there. Nice. I see you're doing good. This is Manu Cloud. This is the channel. Please guys, subscribe to his YouTube channel. Yeah, we did the other day.
Yes.
We have to share it. All right. Yeah. So guys, this is our compound. This is what you see before and after. Before it was like bushy like this, and after it's this one. So some days also we will just used to trim the other side, and it should become just as neat as this. You see over here? Yeah. You know, when you are some, we lead the leaders. You just something like there's a saying that say we lead the leaders, or we lead the leader, something like that. So sometimes, even if you're not a leader, you have just to come and just fix things. So sometimes now it looks homely. So we lead the leader, something like that. All right, guys, let's wait for friends, and then we're gonna share something with them. All right? Okay. Guys, you're just in the hot pot or in the pot of rice over there, and then yeah, you have to lead it, and I have to arrange this, you know, a lot. So let me put it over here, and I can look for other stuff like maybe plates. Then we can just compromise with the other stuff. Okay, slowly by slowly. by slow. Slowly by slowly. Oh my god. Just like that. Then we'll see what's going on. Some beef here. Then just like that. Oh my god. Just try it. So then we just take them. So we have beef here in this pot. Then we have some plates. Karibu, welcome. Charibi. So we need to take Nini. Hey, Charibi, guys. This is Charibi, the guy who with in Mombasa, and so he's around here. Introduce yourself, man.
Okay, guys. My name is Charlie B. I'm here just Mr. Claude decided to come together again.
Yes.
Yeah, to see 1 2 1 2. Then we can just join our hand together.
Our hands together, yeah, you know.
Yeah,
celebrating with friends.
yeah,
something
course,
that
just it brings something good and
together.
yeah, together.
And
Just
also,
togetherness.
Yeah, and also, you know, guys, they really supported me when I was actually in the hospital with my wife.
Yeah.
When she was actually giving birth, so they really supported me. So it was like, oh, now today we are home. Let me also invite them because you know, sharing is caring.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so
sure.
I'm looking for some spoons.
What can I help you with?
I want you to take some spoons here. I don't know. No, there's some spoons up there. Oh yeah.
This one?
Yes.
All of it?
No, some.
Oh, okay.
How many are we?
We are 4.
4. All right. It's how many are we? We are 4. We are 8. I don't know, 10. Charles, come on, man.
But we are not eating.
Why you not? Me, I'm eating.
No.
Why am I not eating? Come on, man.
We are the only visitors here. We are supposed to eat.
No. How can visitors eat without me eating? You want me to be counted out? Yeah. Come on. This is sugar. This is
for sugar.
Yeah. This is teaspoons. So this one, so it look like this.
Oh, okay.
The revision is in the okay, guys. So let me see. Yes. And then we have to use the tumblers. You know, these are takeaway, so you can even put your soda and go with it when you're walking.
But you know, we got only 3.
They are also this one. Well,
they are not here, mister.
There are a lot of spoons, man. I had got a lot of spoons.
Oh, okay. I got another one.
Okay.
Let me search for it here.
Okay. I got a lot of spoons that can play music up to the Mombasa back, to and back. You know, to and fro. Okay, let me check here. I don't know if they'll be here. I see a lot of. Okay, take this one. Another one. Alright. It's better do that.
Enough.
Yeah. Those are enough for now. And then I'll introduce you to our friends, family friends. You know? Alright. I'm having some friends here, so they'll introduce themselves, starting from him and himself. True boy.
Yeah, this is Mr. True Boy here. I'm already in a good position. I can be able at least to see everyone. With my friend here, Charibi, just typing here. Anyway, Yeah, welcome again to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. This is Mr. True Boy. Once again, I know most of you knows me, and I'm so happy for this family once again, since they were in Mombasa, but finally they are back in the village, and we are finally reunited. Slowly, bro, slowly. Yes. So thank you so much, guys. We are starting with our meal here. This is our
Just a cold drink.
cool drink. Oh, drink.
Yeah, cold.
Okay. Yes, I don't have much say. Either if I'm done eating, then I'll have to talk more, because let me first do 1, 2, 3 here, then we proceed from there. So let me just hand over this phone to the owner of the channel, so he can introduce other visitors here. Yeah.
Man, hey guys, we are here. It has been always a pleasure to be with friends.
Yes.
And also here we are having a lot of friends. And from this side, hey, say hi. say hi, just hi.
Hi guys,
Yes.
I'm Miss Robbie.
Eunice. Hey, nice. Welcome home. Hi. Hi.
And my name is Anwankyo. Yeah.
All right, and very, very nice. They're also friends. Jelly B, I've seen you though, so that the flies can't come in. Yeah, welcome. So today it's a beautiful. So we have food, a little bit to just share with them, and everything will be okay. So ladies first, all men's first. Ladies first. Okay. Just
That's the protocol.
yeah, self-service. Self-service. Mom. Yeah.
Well, start, Bana. We want to eat. Why?
Mama wa nyumba yo.
Don't waste time.
Oh, okay, she's breastfeeding. That should be coming, all right? Yeah. I mean, how? I prayed for the food. Don't worry. And then also they prayed for the food. How is the food, Charles? You know you are the chef also. He's also a chef, guys.
Let me fast to swallow.
Ah,
The taste is good.
it's tasting good, right?
Taste is good.
Okay, very
Are you the
nice.
one who cooked this?
Yeah, I just cooked it.
Okay.
Yeah, I just prepared it very just that way. Why are you shaking your head, true boy?
I'm shaking because
Yeah.
I'm even wondering.
I never put salt actually, so that's the one thing.
What?
I never put a lot of salt.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Wait first I finish my point.
Yeah, finish your point.
So you and this man
Yeah.
will be
Uh,
you are chef.
very.
So what will be the duty of your wives? Because now cooking here, me I don't know anything.
My friend, being a chef in the house doesn't mean that your wife can't cook.
Sometimes
There's what, like me right now, my wife is breastfeeding. You know, she hasn't yet gone back to her normal time of working. When I was just busy with my stuffs, also she used to cook for me. Like a time like now, it's better for me to prepare food for her, and it's just like a schedule. If she comes home early, she will prepare. If I comes home early, I'll prepare. And if she feels tired, I'll prepare it.
so that's advantage. One advantage. So the disadvantages, you know. Your wife can cook maybe food, and you say, "Nah, I even don't know. You don't know how to cook. I can cook for myself."
No,
Because
that.
the taste of this food, I can rate it maybe to 100%. I can rate it 70%.
70%.
Almost 80%.
Almost 80%.
So I'm imagining what your wife would have cooked.
Yeah.
Huh? What would-
And my wife prepares best food than me.
That's what I'm imagining myself.
Yeah.
What if she was the one preparing it, you know?
Eh,
So with you have at least to come down at least.
so that she can prepare.
Yeah,
You wanted to see soup in the rice.
No.
Oh my God, Charles.
But with
Have you ever seen people who cook rice and then put soup?
No.
So that's true boy. True boy cook rice and then put water, so it can become a soup.
I used to try my best when I was in school. Anyway, I can't lie. And I can cook the best food. Even when you were visiting me there, even this guy, there's a time he used to visit me there. But with me, my favorite was
Ugali daga.
ugali daga. Huh? I don't know the guy in
Sardines.
sardines are like.
Are we the only visitors here?
No, there's some visitors to come.
To add something.
Not just add, but there are more visitors.
You haven't even finished, bro. Why can't you sit down and
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, it's not my YouTube channel, guys. I've been breastfeeding. Like I do breastfeed, then she wakes up, she sleeps 1 minute, then she wakes up the next minute. So we have guests over, our family friends. There they are. I wasn't here to serve them, but they've served themselves. They know their way around the house. And Mr. Trube, of course, is adding rice like he always does. He never.
Yes, I'm adding here rice. So we are just, it's like we are warming the house.
You're warming the house.
Yeah, after a long time.
After a long time.
I'm sure the house was too cold, so
It has to be warmed.
yeah, we had to warm it.
Good work. Good
Yes.
job. Good job. And we have other guests here. They've been introduced as per my understanding. And then we have the big boss.
Yeah,
The
Mr. Charlie
tycoon.
B.
The
Yeah,
tycoon.
Yeah.
Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for coming and dining with us or just having food with us. Sorry, I've been busy, up and down, trying to baby, but I'm here now. Tell me everything that you have, guys. In the meantime, subscribe, like, and share to my YouTube channel, to his YouTube channel, Claude Joseph KE.
Hey, Claude Joseph KE, we are here.
Yeah,
Family, we see you.
yeah. So thank you. The food is nice, right?
Very, very yummy.
Delicious, right?
I want you to eat it out.
To eat it. Okay. Let me try, guys.
Nice.
Yeah, guys, so we just ate and we have been well, it has been a very nice meet and greet with family, and also my lovely wife is here. Are you happy?
Oh yeah, very happy.
She was the mastermind behind this. So
No, these guys, those guys,
Nice.
those guys,
those guys.
they've been our friends for a while, and they've been always showing in good times and in bad times. So I felt like now that we're here, like in Mombasa, he came all the way to Mombasa, and Charlie was there from day one. Yeah, supporting us emotionally, financially. That's the best part. Financially, like all of them, they've been there for us, and now it's when I got here and we're just neighbors here, I felt like, oh, let's just have some lunch together, and then now we can
As a sort of maybe
just
appreciation.
like just have them
hand.
also that we remind ourselves of where we've been and where we come from, and also that we are family. So thank you so much, guys, for coming and joining us. We appreciate so maybe soon we'll be coming to your places. You never know, we'll be coming to your houses. Who knows?
I've been to both of the houses.
I mean,
only I haven't taken you to Charles' place.
I took myself.
Oh, you did? Hey,
I've been there.
where was I?
I've been to your place. I've been to your place.
She came.
She came when she was looking for land.
Even you called me telling me how we visited you there. Why you like?
But you
My house.
Yeah, she never entered your home.
But you showed me your house.
Yeah.
It was on the road, the one that we passed behind there.
Yeah.
You told me that's your house, but
Oh, yeah.
so I think we'll come there.
Yeah,
Next we're going
year.
there. So prepare food.
Thank you so much, guys, for showing up, and also thank you so much, True Boy and Charlie B. Man, please guys subscribe to True Boy, and also for.
I think we should have this we can do this like we visit each other at least monthly. It will be good.
Absolutely. Now we are parents.
It's not even about that, just for the sake of friendship.
Absolutely,
to build friendships even deeper. You can have this. Look at having these meetups to make it a tradition, I think.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, also for watching this video to the end. Today it has been a little bit longer, but bear with me. Thank you so much. Be blessed all, and I really appreciate your love and support. And I want to say bye from this side. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Mr. TV from here.
All right.
Telling you bye.
Yes.
Go and watch and subscribe there.
Absolutely.
One love.